Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you. This, the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2. It's the third generation of USB audio interface for recording, for songwriting, for streaming and podcasting. We have here a high-fidelity studio quality recording possibility and in all the software we need to record. The Pro performance was a great preamps. We achieve a brighter recording thanks to the high-performance mic preamps of the Scarlett 3rd generation. A switchable air mode will add an extra clarity to our acoustic instruments when recording with our 2i2 3rd generation. We get the perfect guitar and vocal take with two high-headroom instrument inputs to plug in our guitar or bass, so that they shine through. We capture our voice in instruments without any unwanted clipping or distortion thanks to our gain halos. And we have low noise for crystal clear listening. Two low noise balanced outputs provides a clean audio playback with 3rd generation. Hear all the nuances of our track or music from Spotify, Apple, and Amazon Music. We plug in the headphones for private listening and high fidelity. And studio quality recording for our music and podcast. We achieve pro sounding recording with the Scarlett 3rd generation high performance converter. This enables us to record and mix it up to 24-bit 192 kHz. Our recordings will retain all of their sonic qualities. An easy start. It's easier than ever to get up and running with the Scarlett 3rd generation with or online tool. Easy start. Wherever we are looking to record or playback audio, we will get with this device to it. With the Scarlett 3rd generation, we have all the tools we need to start recording right. Now, we have partnered with the favorite industry partners to provide us with plenty of sound contents and software so that we can create and record music right away. And it looks small but powerful. The most popular audio interface for artists across all genres. The 3rd generation Scarlett 2i2 provides two mic line instrument inputs. This allows simultaneous recording and playback of up to 2 channels with independently controllable headphone and monitor outputs. The 2i2 features two upgraded 3rd generation Scarlett mic preamps with optional layer settings to reproduce the air effect of Focusrite's original's ISA mic preamp, giving our vocal and acoustics recording a brighter and more open sound. Equipped with a high-performance 24-bit 192 kHz 80 DA converters, the Scarlett 2i2 has the same professional sound quality found throughout the 3rd generation range. The high impedance, high headroom instruments inputs allows us to record the guitar or the bass without any clipping or unwanted distortions, while the gain halo metering makes it easy for us to set the input level. The Scarlett 2i2 is designed to stand up the day on the road and connect straight to our Mac or personal computer via USB cable, with no external power required. The Scarlett 2i2 comes with the Hitmaker expansion, an unbeatable range of tried and tested studio tools from some of the biggest names in the business. The Hitmaker expansion includes the Editor's Auto-Tune Access, Relab LX 480 Essential, Soft Double Marshall Silver Jubilee 2555, XLN Audio and Auditive Keys, XLN Audio Adaptive Drums, and so many more. It's compatible with nearly everything, and it makes a good job. Scarlett has gone platinum, sitting on the desk of a huge global community of musicians, producers, and home recordists. The iconic 2i2 has already helped make more records than any other interface in history. And with the third generation, they're going to sound better than ever. Scarlett's best-selling interface. Millions of musicians use the 2i2 to write a record every day, feature natural sound of third-generation mic preamps and air emulation, the original ISA preamps. That's possible with that. And the best sounding easily. We're getting audio quality recording at home has never been easier than before. Wheezy Start gets out setup, recording and playing back within minutes. They have worry about the tech. We can focus on the music, for example, or on our voice sound. This all brings to us the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 third generation. It is an USB audio interface for recording, songwriting, streaming, and podcasting. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.